Good day, everyone. We are starting a new project. So we got our little gutter right there with the rain chain. We're probably gonna swap this rain chain into like a double loop so it doesn't splash as far. And we're gonna install a box right there instead of a gutter. So it's always nice to have a little scupper box. So this house is contemporary. Lots of trees and needles, and they have square downspouts. So we have one right here, another scupper box that we will probably need. And we got those square downspouts. 1, 2, I think we have 5 downspouts. We are gonna swap those out to a European smooth round 3-inch downspouts. It's gonna look really clean. They're gonna be the floaty style brackets. So we'll get those going here shortly. Kind of want to water test this thing, see how it looks before and after. Let's do that. Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't look like this chain is doing anything. I'd say it's a bit of a fail here. Definitely need to swap it out. All right, what do you guys think about this rain chain? Do you think it's a good one, or should we swap it out? It just seems like the water doesn't even catch it. Maybe a bigger outlet, smaller outlet? Let me know. All right, up on the roof here. Roof looks good, just lots of debris. Gutters are full. They do have little screens, so that's good. It won't clog the outlets as fast. But yeah, we're probably gonna do some gutter screens. For some reason, this gutter right here is holding water. The distance from here to the next downspout is huge. You can see it's wet here, so it's been holding water. And it's actually holding water right now. They should have raised this gutter quite a bit. I don't know. It doesn't look like a good install to me. The gutters are rusted. You can see it's been holding half water right there. And this one is holding a lot of water. Yeah, I don't know if these gutters are any good. I'd put aluminum gutters for sure. Packing it up, making it nice. All right, took the little gutter off, and it turned out to be unpainted. So we're gonna put some Bondo in there, get it sealed up. All right, so you can see the gutters are rusted out right there. There's a better picture. So they'll have a hole here shortly. You can see it's lost its paint right there at the bottom. That's your first holes. We're gonna try to get this painted into black, clean this up, use a rag with acetone, get some primer black paint thrown on there. Got the roof cleared up, looking a lot nicer now. Lots of painting to do. This downspout has a hole in it. It's just leaking. It's been leaking for a while. All that wet right there. After we cleaned the gutters, it just kind of leaked out the rest. All right, so we got these white flashings that go all the way around. What we want to do is get those prepped. We got some primer, black paint from Miller. Should be really good. Pretty rusty, eh? Look at them gutters. Rusty. Interesting. This board is not painted. The rest is. So must have been repaired. Getting them gutters removed. Kind of whacked myself on the finger there. So sweating and bleeding, but gotta get the job done. No big deal. Wearing gloves, but yeah, kind of missed with my hammer, smacked my finger. No problem, still works. All right, this gutter, last one to remove, and we'll start painting. It's a little bit of a difficult remove because the gutter's hanging so low, so kind of not a lot of space in here. Double hammer action, but we'll throw a Band-Aid on there and keep going. All right, got the gutters removed. Looks like it's a brown fascia board behind. We do have a few boards here that are raw wood, so we'll take care of that. And we'll take a look around the back. The back side looks like we're good until we get here. We got some raw wood, just like the other side. So we'll paint that, make it nice and waterproof. And the rest has already been painted brown. It's fading a little bit. We'll put our fresh coat. The last section here is just got a lot of debris and dust and fading paint. We'll freshen that up. And let's take a look at this area here where the box used to be. And this definitely looks better than the other side. We'll clean that up as well. It's a yard debris. We took off the roof. We'll put it in the bin. All from the roof. Lots of debris. All right, so we are painting the fascia boards with some premium primer that the customer picked up for us. We got our first coat on there. It looks amazing. This is all gonna be painted, so it's gonna be nice and beautiful. Let's get it going. All right, got this side painted. You can see the paint's drying up right there. As soon as it's dry all the way, we'll go ahead and put our final coat, and it's gonna be good. Oh, looks nice. Get some primer up on here. Looking good. No more raw wood. No more white flashing either. It's gonna be all color coded. Get some more paint. Get it all in there. And it's gonna be beautiful. The gutter's gonna cover this part, but we'll get this painted. All right, getting the fascia boards painted. We'll remove the downspout. We're gonna have round downspout, so we'll have to paint behind it. All right, we're painting this front flashing as well. It's brown. We're gonna make it match the rest of the house. So just like that. Weatherize it so water does not get in. Looks amazing. Just put a final coat. Looks amazing. No more white flashing. All right, check this out. So this is the primer that we installed, and this is the final coat. Makes a huge difference when you do a final. Look at that. This paint's actually a little bit thicker, but wow, what a difference. It's just amazing. Look at that, just beautiful. All right, got everything painted. Just looks fabulous. Super exciting. Nice and fresh. Took a while. Some of the spots we put 3 coats, but amazing. Let's take a look at the back and see what we got going there. The downspouts right here. We painted the wall as well, so the downspout can be placed and no painting needed. Same thing here. Got it painted, still wet. And back of the house, got our tarps so we don't splash anything, but look at that, folks. Nice and clean. Backside painted as well. All right, back at the project. We're gonna continue. Let's check out this water test here. We got this box installed and the double loop chain. So we're also doing gutter screens, black screens. This is just amazing. This flashing used to be white yesterday anyway. All right, so we got some splashing here. Might need to adjust the chain a little bit. There we go. Find the right spot. Let's see, so if it rains a little bit harder, I might have to tweak this just a little bit more in here. Yeah, that was a little too big. See, the water doesn't hit the chain here. So it has to hit the chain. All right, we'll mess around with that a little bit and let's get the gutter screens installed. Check out this rain chain, double loop. So the water kind of sticks to it a lot better than the single chain. And we got a scupper on top. Looks really good. Carrying the water down. All right, so we're installing the European style downspouts. We've got the special tools to enlarge them. We got the special brackets, and we got 4-inch pipes. So we got a reducer and a 3-inch pipe on the inside, so no gaps. So this will close in like that, and it'll be secure. Did a job before, but check this out. I got a special tool. It's got like a little hook. So check that out. It does an amazing job really quick. There you go. Downspout installed. These elbows are premium. They don't have any lines in them. It's not corrugated, smooth. We got the standoff brackets, and that was perfect with the space in here. Wow, it's just amazing. It doesn't get any better than this. Water testing the gutters. Looks like the water is running good. It's coming down. And it keeps going right there. Looks good. Looks really good. All right, we're using the hidden hangers on this one. Very secure. Getting the black gutter screens installed. It looks good. We got our gutter brush. If stuff gets on here. But yeah, it looks nice. All right, water testing this side with the scupper box. And so far, the chain is in the right spot. It's splashing a little bit. So we got more water here. Looks like it's doing a pretty good job. All right, check out this rain chain, double loop. It's gorgeous. It's one of my favorite chains. Double loop makes the water go really close to the chain. These special tools, what they do is they enlarge the downspout. So basically, the diameter can change when you spin it around. So a very nice tool. I think they're like $700 each, but without it, can't do the job. All right, So after the water test, this is our splash area. It doesn't even reach the house there, so this is a perfect place for a rain chain. Looks nice. All right, so this tool, it widens the downspout. To attach the downspout with a custom bracket, pre-drill, and then you start driving this bracket in there. All right, so check this out. It makes the gutter so that the elbows will fit me here. The downspout, I mean. I got the downspout installed. This one required 2 brackets. One on top, one at the bottom. It's just a 2-story downspout, but it looks nice. Beautiful. All right, so we got a 4-inch pipe, we got a reducer, and then we're gonna cut a piece to go inside to close up any gaps. I made a little insert, so that's gonna go right there. And now our downspout will fit with no gaps. Beautiful. All right, got it done. Downspouts are nice and straight. Got the gutter screens installed. Good slope on the downspouts. Those are some heavy duty downspouts. Very premium. Very beautiful elbows. Good connections. You see there's no gaps, it doesn't even move. Back, got the corners. I'm gonna try a gutter screen here. Once it plugs up in here, water can overflow. We'll see how we're on view. All the flashings are no longer white. Looks nice.